Alrighty everyone, so I went ahead and disconnected all the interpol side, and I came to the conclusion that just this interpol down here is bad, and I can go ahead and show you. So this interpol right here is bad, this one, the top right and the top left are good. So right now I'm breaking her down since all the inside is disconnected, so as you can see there's no more cables all inside. So right now I'm going to go ahead and as you can see I'm using the crane. So by using the crane, go ahead and show you. So I'm going to raise the crane and we're going to take out this head piece. So there's two head pieces that just pop right out. Make sure there's no screws in there. So we lift her up. That's how she comes out. Turn her down with the crane. This crane, I believe, is a 2-ton crane. So just but this crane will not lift this one up. Now she's all taken care of. As you can see, it's on the floor of the pallet. So now I'm going to go ahead and take care of this top one here. So put my rope in, loop her around, make sure the rope's nice and tight. Alright, and I bring my crane over, and then I start to lift the crane up higher, get in between that rope. You always want to make sure that these two head pieces are off of the motor before it goes on the wheel assembly. So as you can see, it's connected just like so. You raise the crane nice and slow. Make sure it has a nice hard connection. And then we make sure that there's no more bolts in, which there is not. Usually there's some screws or bolts, 4 of them all around. So we lift it up nice and slow, nice and slow. Sometimes it just pops right out, sometimes it stays stuck, and then you got to take a little mallet and hit it. But right now it seems like this one's just popping off nice and freely, just like so. So that is how take the head pieces off of this motor. So as you can see, I'm lowering it down, and we're going to go ahead and maneuver this bad boy onto this pallet, just like so. Be careful because this thing does weigh a lot. And you want to make sure that nice and stiff, nice and neat over here on this pallet. And you can give her a little how you doing, fix her up, and you always want to make sure that this end piece is facing inward, or else this head piece will tilt, just like so. Now the head pieces are out, and you're good to go, and you're good to carry this motor onto this little table here, and then we can go ahead and put the wheel on. I can go ahead and show you guys that. So our motor's almost ready to get put on this little table here. Put that wheel on, the yellow wheel, and then we can go ahead and put her on that wheel assembly. So we're getting there, guys.